Welcome back. I am starting a new initiative on my channel where I want to take mechanics from existing AAA games, either ones that I enjoy or ones that you guys enjoy, and figuring out how to make them inside of Unity, and then showing you guys how to replicate such a system. Now, there is an important distinction I need to make here. That is the difference between a mechanic and a system. A mechanic is a singular thing, so it's part of a system, whereas a system is a core system. Now, let me explain it without using the word system in both of them. For example, if we take combat, you could have a combat system. So let's imagine Dark Souls. In Dark Souls, the combat system is every hit does a lot of damage. You've got to roll to avoid things. It's very animation based, so there's a lot of like heavy swings or what have you. You've got your stamina system, that's part of the combat system, so on and so forth. Whereas a mechanic from that might be a single component of that. So how sword and shield feel, or the roll mechanic, or what have you. Another example has to do with a movement system versus wall climbing. So a system might be, let's take Assassin's Creed as an example. The climbing up walls, jumping off buildings, all of that, that's the movement system. Whereas specifically the way that you climb walls, that's a mechanic. So what I'm after here are specific mechanics. What I would like you guys to do is comment below with any games that you guys like to play, or any games that you see have interesting mechanics, and let me know what mechanics you would like to learn how to make. The first mechanic that I want to start with is this sling mechanic from a game called Windbound. This is a game that it's an indie survival game. I believe I picked it up for free on Epic Game Store while they did a sale, and I fell in love with the game, and since then have purchased another copy of the game because I wanted to give the devs money. But their sling mechanic is very interesting. You have a whole wind-up animation while you're aiming the sling, and your aiming reticle shrinks as you continue to wind up. So the more time you take to aim, the more accurate your aiming becomes. I think that would be a very interesting mechanic to start off with. So in a later video, I'm going to go over how to set up that exactly in Unity. Thanks for your continued support. Hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I'll see you in the next one.